Good morning. So, what is your name?
My name is Maria Rowena Ong,
What is your age?
42 years. I'm 42 years old.
Which year were you born?
April 7, 1973.
Do you have a valid work permit and HK identity card?
Yes, I have a passport.
Okay, so do you smoke?
No,
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because of a good salary.
Okay, so what is your hometown?
I'm from Pampanga.
What is your level of education?
I'm a HRM undergrad.
Are you married or single?
I'm a single mom.
Okay, how many children do you have?
I have 3 kids.
How old are they?
My elder is 21, the second is 18, and the last is 16 years old.
Who will be taking care of them?
They old already. The two is they can take care of themselves also, and my two kids, they will take care of my last kid.
Okay, so how many people are you in the family? Do you have
Uh,
any brothers and sisters?
Yeah, I have 2 siblings.
Okay, so are your parents still alive?
No,
Do you have any financial commitments to support any or all of them?
my brother helped me if I don't have work.
Okay, so if they fall sick, who can take care of them?
My 2 sister-in-law.
Okay, so do you have any debts either here or in your home country? Or do you owe one employment agency any money?
No.
Okay, so how many years of experience do you have?
In this field, I have 5 years.
Okay, so are you allergic for food, drugs, and detergent?
No,
Are you afraid of pets?
no.
Okay, so how do you handle conflict with your previous employers?
I keep quiet and I make sure I work hard to please them.
Okay, so do you accept no day offs but to be paid by your employer?
Yes,
In your last place of employment, were both of your employers working?
yes.
Was your role primarily for childcare or only for housework?
Both
Both. Okay, so how many hours do you work each day?
16 hours.
16 hours. Okay, so do you have any first aid certificate?
Yes, I have.
If ever my child will have his hand burnt on the iron, what would you do?
I put cold compress first, then I put medicine prescribed by doctors.
Okay, so if ever my son is very naughty while you are babysitting him, what will you do?
I'll talk to him nicely and explain everything that what he's done is bad or good, like this.
Okay, so are you willing to wake up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes,
Can you cook?
yes.
Which cuisine are you familiar with?
I know little bit in Chinese food and Italian food.
Okay, so do you speak Chinese?
No,
Okay, are you willing to cut your hair short?
yes.
What do you like to do in your spare time? Do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, I love reading cookbook.
Okay, so do you have any message to the employer?
Hi, mom, sir. I'm Maria Rowena Ong. I'm a hardworking person, and I'm willing to work as soon as possible.
Okay, so can you please sing one nursing rhyme?
Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little child wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Rowena.